Hello again, I'm Karim Khalid Noman and this Plaxis 2D 3D course Chapter 11 Shallow Foundation. This chapter is important chapter because life of civil engineer depending on dealing with foundation, even it's shallow or deep. We calculate the loads of the building and apply it on the foundation to see what the effect of this load on soil. The best software doing that is Plaxis, so you are lucky to learn Plaxis. Okay, let's see our problem. We have one layer. This layer is sand, the thickness of it 20 meter, angle of internal structure mode. We will define plate and click new. Foundation. Okay, make it blue, elastic, thickness 1.2, gamma equal 2.5, plate, and create surface load. We assign on it material. We will make it foundation. Okay, we will just enter our stresses. It's equal -1210. Okay, distribution load and press OK. We mark on surface load and press calculate. We will waiting for this operation. Okay, we can get our result from here.